Welcome to our channel. What is meant by auto insurance? More popularly known as motor insurance, this type of insurance provides cover for loss or damage to any vehicle like car, two-wheeler or commercial vehicle. Let's start to auto insurance. First of all, you type auto insurance. This auto insurance, and then scroll down, and here you find best car insurance companies of August 2021, Forbes company. Then click and see what are the best companies in the world, and see what are the best car insurance companies in worldwide. With so many choices for car insurance companies, it can be hard to know where to start when you are shopping for auto insurance. This is very genuine questions. Here scroll down, compare car insurance companies. I own my home, multiple vehicles, good credit. The best car insurance companies: Erie Insurance, 5-star rating. Auto insurance rates very good. Collision repair A negative, higher than the industry average. And the second, USAA, 5-star rating, excellent. Auto insurance rates excellent. This is in excellent car insurance company. Collision repair C plus, complaint level okay. And then third, State Farm 4.5 rating, slightly less than USAA and Erie Insurance. This is the State Farm, complaint level low, collision repair C, auto insurance very good. And then Travelers car insurance 4.5 rating, good insurance rate, collision repair C plus, complete level very low. And then Auto Owners Insurance, and then GEICO, Nationwide, and then other companies here. So now you can choose. I suggest you USSA companies and complete support you. And then now we go to www.farmers.com. This is another insurance company. Let's see what is the benefits. Sorry, invalid URL. I think this website has been closed or its domain expire. Now then see, get a car insurance quote, auto State Farm, open. Here I tell you what is the number one car insurance in the world. The first one is State Farm. Yes friend, this website open very soon due to unlimited traffic. It slow down. This insurance company State Farm, I think, yes, State Farm insurance companies number one insurance company in the world, market share 16%. And then GEICO, GEICO is here. Yes, car insurance, start a free auto insurance quote, GEICO, 13% market share. And third number, Progressive, 12% market share. And then Allstate with 9% market share. Here you can see High Court ruled on Thursday bumper to bumper insurance was to be mandatory for a new vehicle whenever it is sold. This is set to come into effect from September 1, 2021. The court stated that this should be in addition to coverage of the driver, passenger and the owner of the vehicle for period extending up to 5 years. After that period, the owner of vehicle must be cautious in safeguarding the safety of the driver, passenger, any third party as well as themselves. So this is good news for car insurance in India. So this is good news for Indian people. Now I tell you about another website which is more authentic. Here is seekweb.com, Los Angeles. There are many webs. There are many companies. There are many companies websites in Los Angeles. We can open anyone. Here we can see how Group Captive Remigen Commercial Insurance as a leading consultant to Group Captive resource. Here first of all you register yourself and then you read the article carefully about the car insurance. Complete information is here. If you register yourself in this website, you will get extra support from the company. And then if you want to know more information, then click on contact us. Here you also put your informations and leave here message then submit it. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, then like it and subscribe our channel for more information.